camera and the thousands, if not millions of people who probably think you're a different person, is that little kid in the first video you?
Yes, that's me.
People who are saying that you're black and Asian and black and Samoan, or you know, all these other things.
I'm black and Hispanic.
Black and Hispanic. Black and Mexican, bro. Say black and Mexican.
Oh, and this is my uncle.
And I'm his uncle.
They keep thinking he's my dad.
Yeah, and I'm his uncle. I'm not his dad. A lot of people are saying, well, why did you say Jesus?
See, so let me tell you right here. So my dad, I knew he was gonna know about your channel eventually.
He found out?
Yeah, he got on to me when I said, oh shit. Oh shit. Damn. Well, I knew he was gonna see that. He was like, I knew he was gonna get on to me about cussing, so I changed it halfway. I was really gonna say it, but yeah, that.
Oh, but okay.
Now that I'm older and my brother says way worse, so I'm just like, yeah, it's whatever now.
Okay, gotcha. I drive like a saint compared to your mom. Alright, hopefully they hear me. I'm gonna turn off the car. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
1 second, please.
Okay, order whenever you're ready.
Okay. I think I'm gonna be my pink vanilla or slime or whatever you call it. I'm gonna get my 20-piece nuggets.
Order whatever you want, bro. You got a deep voice. They can hear you.
Okay.
I don't know whatever the hell you just ordered. It sounded like whenever Lala orders something at Starbucks, all I hear is blah 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 blah, frappe, matate.
That's how I used to be. Then I learned the words and the vocabulary.
Frappe, matate, cappuccino, macchiato. I don't know any of that shit.
I used to be like that too, but then I learned the Starbucks language. I became a pro at it.
You know how to order that stuff?
Yeah. Okay, McDonald's.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit.
I was waiting for you to drink it, god damn it.
Why? Trying to kill me.
I was like,
I damn near died.
I was like, drink so I can floor it. Ah, damn it.
I did. But it almost came.
Oh man, I got you trained already, man. You know this. You know me too well.
I've just known you my entire life. I know what's predicting you. Oh, you actually fixed it?
Oh, yeah, I fixed it already, man. Yeah, 207, 296. Yeah, that's good. You keeping the strength though? Boy, this fool just snapped my oh shit handle. Look at this. Look at it. Show it on the camera, bro. Look at it. Alright, that right here. Yeah, that boy was scared as fuck.
Please show the camera this, because my homeboys won't stop dick eating me about this.
No,
they're always like, you broke the oh shit handle, bro, and you ain't even pay for it.
No, I fixed it this week. I don't think I've ever told my YouTube viewers where I went to high school.
Now they know.
Diamond in.
Damn. See, if I don't went to Diamond Hill, this would have been even better for you to do it.
My YouTube viewers, I went to school in the hood. I still live in the hood. What am I talking about?
You went to a worse hood.
Yeah, no shit. to the hood.
Yeah, you moved to the hood to the more hood.
Dude, I literally went from the hood to more hood.
Yup.
It's alright though. One day YouTube will blow up and I'll be able to move out of the hood.
Back to Diamond Hill.
I'm gonna put that in the video, bro. I'm gonna put that in the video. The fact that I'm saying that YouTube's gonna get me out of the hood. I bet you anything. I bet you $100. There's gonna be people commenting, just sell the cars, bro, and move out of the hood. Sell the cars and use that to buy a house outside of the hood.
That, or they're gonna be like, man, your shit ain't even hood for real. I guarantee that's gonna be one of the comments.
Yeah, that's true.
Like that.
You're not alone, bro. Whenever I was in middle school, I went through a hardcore gangster phase. What do you say?
I don't even know.
I swear, dude, whenever I'm driving this car, people yell shit all the time.
There's been multiple people that honk at you and yell at you and you haven't even heard it, have you?
But the thing is that it's so loud, so I hear it like faintly that they're yelling things or saying things, but I can't understand what they're saying.
So for all you know, they could be yelling at you wetback or beaner. You wouldn't even know.
Probably, yeah. You want me to drop it at your house?
Yeah, I'll situate for a little bit. Why not?